Hi, it's Brett the Herbalist, and we're back in the kitchen today with another recipe for detoxing and cleansing your body. And today what we're doing is we're focusing on the stomach. So your stomach has a job of digesting food, but in particular it digests the protein that goes into your stomach. And protein is the acid forming food and the heavy hard food for your body to digest. So things like meat, cheese, nuts, that kind of thing is very hard on your body. So while we're detoxing, we eliminate those foods, and we're going to introduce some enzyme-rich foods which help with protein digestion to build up the enzyme pool in your body, because you need to introduce enzymes into your body as well. So what we've got is we've got some papaya or pawpaw, and that's got an enzyme called papain in it. And we've also got some pineapple, which contains the enzyme bromelain. These are both really good protein digesting enzymes. They're very anti-inflammatory for your body. What I'm going to also include in this is some cucumber and some mint, just to freshen it up and make it nice and tasty, and also a bit of coconut milk. Alright, so let's get into this. Just peeling the papaya, half the papaya, and we'll scoop the seeds out of that and just chop that up into some big chunks. And we'll do the same with the pineapple. It's about an inch thick ring of pineapple. Again, just chop that into big chunks, throw away that little core piece. And then the cucumber, we use about half a telegraph cucumber, just roughly chop that, and then de-leaf the mint. So that's all ready to go. So basically that's the ingredients done, ready to throw into the blender. We'll just throw the mint in there first, so that sits on the bottom, gets pushed down by the heavier things, the cucumber, the pineapple, the papaya. And what we're going to use is StomachClenz powder. You can use body tune in this as well, or any plant-based protein powder would be good. Some plain coconut milk, about 150 mils of that, and the same amount of water. So you should end up with about 600 to 800 mils in total when you make this recipe. And we're using the Ladyship, which I use in all of my recipes. It's just such a fantastic blender. It just completely annihilates whatever goes into it. And usually we blend these for about 30 to 40 seconds to get a good nice smoothie. So there you go, StomachClenz Smoothie. Your stomach will love this. This is a beautiful tasting smoothie. Enjoy.